We also have really important is we are doing a live event here in Orlando, Florida. All right, this is coming up this Saturday, November 19th. There is a live event that we're doing. Now, we do a Super Saturday call every single Saturday, and this is an amazing call. It's a great time to meet our community. We do training specifically for those who are sharing EazyBot, but it's just a great time to learn more. And if you want to be inspired to share EazyBot with others, that's a great call to be on. So we're going to be live here in Orlando. Lots of members from our executive team, leaders from all around the country, folks from around the world are joining us. So if you're in Orlando or can make it to Orlando, you want to join us here on Saturday, 11 a.m. Eastern. Invite your guests. If you know anybody in the Orlando area or that can make it, this is going to be a great event for them to get introduced, not just to EazyBot, but to the EazyBot community as well.
You know, the other nice thing about this too is we've got people flying in all the way from Canada, guys, because they just want to meet the executive team. There's not too much transparency in this industry. And the reason why, I gotta say it, there was a news article just put out that every 4 minutes a new crypto scam is developed and released. We're transparent because we're not one of those. And we want to meet our people. We want to help. So that's one of the main differences. And you'll see, you know, when you come meet us and you get to know us, your confidence level in our company is going to grow. And we just want to love on you too and give you, we're a hugging company. You'll see that.
Thanks.